Good morning, everyone. We are excited to be here in Rabat, and I know the big task that we have against Morocco, but this is not new. We are just excited, in everyone, the boys, the team. We are looking forward for this important game for us. We know it's not going to be an easy game, but yeah, we are prepared to play Morocco. Morocco is playing home, they are hosts, and it's like they have the 12th player on the field, so the fans, everyone is behind the team. So all we need to do is to be disciplined in terms of defending, and also to be determined and have the fighting spirit, and see how the 90 minutes is going to be. Thank you. The draw against Mali just made the group to be more difficult, and so the team which is gonna qualify, you just need to win, not to expect the other team maybe to lose or do what. So the game tomorrow, it's either we win or Morocco, they are supposed to win. Yeah. So that's that.